Is it permissible to brush teeth with toothpaste or tooth powder while fasting? Will the fast be valid if sahur is not eaten? Is it permissible to eat sahur without performing the obligatory bath, Ghusl? Will the fast be valid if sahur is not eaten? Yes, if someone makes the intention, niyyah, to fast, but cannot eat sahur, their fast will be valid and correct. Eating sahur is not a mandatory condition for the fast, but it is a very blessed sunnah. Even if you don't feel like eating, you should try to drink at least a little water to gain the reward of the sunnah and keep your body strong. The Prophet, SallAllahu Alaihi Wasallam, said, "Take sahur, for indeed there is barakah, or blessing, in sahur."
Is it permissible to eat sahur without performing the obligatory bath, Ghusl? Many people ask, if someone is in a state of ritual impurity, Jannah, and wakes up to find very little time left for sahur, should they bathe first or eat first? The answer is, eat your sahur first. This is because if you go to bathe first, the time for sahur will end. Eating sahur or starting a fast while in a state of impurity does not harm the fast. Purity is not a condition for the fast to be valid. However, you must perform your ghusl as quickly as possible after sahur so that you do not miss your fajr prayer. Prayer must be performed on time and in a state of purity. Is it permissible to brush teeth with toothpaste or tooth powder while fasting? Since toothpaste has a very strong taste, there is a risk that its particles might accidentally go down your throat with saliva. It is best to finish brushing with toothpaste before sahur ends. During the day, use a miswak from a zaytun or neem branch to keep your teeth clean. This is a blessed sunnah. The Prophet, SallAllahu Alaihi Wasallam, said, "Be thorough in cleaning the nose with water, unless you are fasting." This means a fasting person must be extra careful so that nothing enters the throat accidentally.